Welcome back to the Biker Baker Show. I had done some fried pies the other day, and I had some leftover dough. So I put it in the freezer. So this is really just pie crust that I am going to make into instead of frying them, we're going to bake them. But it's just the same thing. The same apple pie filling. I'm going to add some cinnamon. I'm going to put them into an empanada and press them, and then we're going to bake them. So let's get started. I've already got a few made up, so I'm just going to show you a couple of them that I'm going to roll out here. And I just do it right on my table. I got a little island here that we're going to roll it out on. Take it, put it in this empanada press. We'll put some apple pie filling in it right here. You can use whatever you want. I just had some apple left over, so that's what we're using today. I'm going to sprinkle some cinnamon on it. And then you want to wet around the edges here, so it'll make it stick a little better. So you don't have it all oozing out all over the sides. Okay? You just close it like that and press. And this little thing here I got off of Amazon. It was about $6, really cheap. It's plastic. But it does the job. And just scrape off the side. And there you have your little pie. Let me make another one here. I got enough to make another one. Just roll it into a ball. These are the leftovers from all the others I made. I'll roll it out. Try to make you a circle. I'm not real good at that. I just roll until it looks good. Okay. It's going to fit on my press here. I think this is a 6-inch press, I believe. Back to putting my apples in it. Got a little bit extra here. I'm going to see if I can get them all in there. Put some cinnamon on it and some water around the edge. And then press it again. Just press really good. And take this off just like this. It comes off real easy. You can even use your fingers to get it off. I like to use that knife. Open it up, and there's your perfect little pie. Okay. Here's what they look like before I put them in the oven. I got 5 of them out of that extra dough. So I'm getting ready to put them in the oven at 350 for probably 13-14 minutes. And then when they come out, we'll see what they look like. And we'll put some glaze on them with powdered sugar glaze. I got the fry pies in the oven, and now I'm going to make a powdered sugar glaze to go on top of them. So if you want to pan down here to my bowl, I've got some powdered sugar in here. I want to put some water in it, a little bit of water. We'll mix that up. And if it's too runny, you just add more powdered sugar. If it's not enough, add more water. I'm going to put some vanilla in it a little bit because we like vanilla in our little glaze. You can use, if you're making coconut pies, you can use some coconut flavoring on the top, or lemon, or even some almond extract you can put in there. We're going to need a little more water. Them pies are smelling good already. Last time I fried them, and they were delicious fried, but I thought, let's see what they do baking, because it's just a pie crust, a regular pie crust that you use. Then I'm going to put a little more water, because I like it a little bit, so we can drizzle it. Just keep messing with it till you get to where you want. Consistency. Everybody likes it different. See that? That's good drizzle consistency. You just drizzle it over it. After it comes out, let it sit for a minute or two so it cool down a little bit so you don't lose all of your icing, so it can sit on it. Okay, we're going to wait for that to get done, the fry pies. But look at this right here that Mr. Smith made. It's a noodle board. It's just a little extra that I have workspace to sit on. And we teamed up on the writing on there. He burnt that in there. I made the stencil and he burned it in there. It says the kitchen is the heart of the home. He's pretty handy to have around. He makes all kinds of stuff for us. All right. So let's hurry up and get them pies done in the oven. I'm ready for them. All right, those are still cooking, and I just thought I'd take this time to talk to you for a little bit about my life. Next year, I'm going to retire 13 and a half months. Woohoo! After 30 years, be 32 altogether with the Postal Service. And when that happens, we're planning on getting a trike, a Harley-Davidson trike, and just traveling. And in between, making some videos so we can do our adventures with you guys. And doing this Biker Baker show, I'm hoping that you guys love it and comment. And we're just going to be real. It's going to be us, and me and Mr. Smith, and we're just going to show you what we do. I deal with the public, and I've dealt with the public for years. I used to own a restaurant back when I was younger, so we did breakfast and lunch and dinner and pizzas and subs. We did the whole thing, and that was a little wearing on me. I did it for 4 years, and then I sold it. So then I went to work for the post office. So that's where I'm at right now. So I'm excited about retiring, and I can't wait. All right, it's been about 15 minutes, and I'm going to take these out of the oven. One of them's starting to bust open, so it looks like they're about done. Nice and brown. I didn't egg wash them, but if you want to egg wash them, you can, or put a little bit of butter on them. Ooh, look at the bottom, nice and brown. Let me pull those over. See the bottom, nice and brown? It's smelling all yummy up in here like homemade apple pie. Look at that. Look at that bottom. Parchment paper helps so they don't get everywhere, because this one busted open a little bit, but that ain't no big deal. We like it. And I still have my icing right here. I'm going to let those cool just a couple minutes, and then I'll get one and put the icing on it for you. So we're going to be doing more videos like this. If you have any comments, suggestions on what I should fix, or you want to see me make something, you let me know in the comments. And we're going to be doing some low carb videos too, because we like to do low carb at times. But right now, as you see, we are just doing other stuff. Sometimes we can't stick to it, and we just got to have a snack. So I'm going to take one of these now. I know they should cool a little bit longer, but I can't wait. So I'll put it on the plate here. Take my spoon, and you just drizzle like that. Put as much as you want, or as little as you want. You probably don't even need it if you don't like it. It's still got sweet inside. So there you go. There's your apple pie, made out of pie crust and just the apple pie filling with some cinnamon on it. And fold it over, and it's going to be delicious. Let me cut it open. Look at that. That cinnamon coming out. Get that with some ice cream on it. That's going to be yummy. Mr. Smith is going to love it, I'm sure. He loves some apple pie.
That's looking delicious.
All right. So until next time, this is the Biker Baker Babe. And leave your comments or suggestions down below. And like and subscribe and help us grow. Thank you.